I shopped the Zara sale. They had quite a few things on there that I thought I had to get. The pricing was pretty good as well. So I wanted to share what I got with you guys. So the first thing I picked up, I love. And I hope that they still have it in case you guys want to pick it up. It is this black dress and it is a mock neck, and it has, on the face of it, it kind of just looks like a plain black dress, plain black bodycon dress, but it has this little bit of skin that shows through this little hole here, which I think makes this dress. When I saw it, I felt like I didn't really need another black dress because you can kind of get a black mock neck bodycon dress from anywhere. But when I saw the gap in it, I thought that I had to get it because I am postpartum, so I'm not at the moment super comfortable with showing lots of skin around my stomach area, but the way that this is cut, I felt like it was just really flattering. It was flattering on the model, and I felt like it is a piece of skin that you don't usually see, which I think is always nice. And the position of it also kind of creates a really nice silhouette. It kind of accentuates my waist a bit more, which I really like. This was originally $25.99 and I think I picked this up for £15. So super affordable. I picked it up in a size medium as well. The size was fine. It is a really nice material and it's super stretchy. And so I thought even if I were to wear this with a cardigan and boots when it's a bit colder, I could always like add a bit of pizzazz when I take off my cardigan and show my little under boob skin or side skin. I thought that would still look a bit nice. So I'm in love with this dress and I'll definitely be keeping hold of it. Next, I have a fail. And I'm really disappointed about this fail because I have been looking for button-down tops that have, or blouses that have a bit of shape and a bit of, you know, a little bit of zhuzh to them. So I saw this top on the model and it was long line, which I like because I'm tall and I do like tops that fall a little bit over the top of the bum. So I really liked that about this top on the model. And then I thought that the button down style, it looked really 90s, noughties. And I thought that I would just love it, and I don't. So I picked it up in a size medium. I needed a large, but also it's not long enough in the body. So I was considering sending it back and trying to pick up the large, but I don't think it's gonna work. You can see it's just a plain button down. There is not any stretch in it. So I am usually between a medium and a large, but especially with my baby weight, I definitely needed a large in this. I was able to do it up, but there was pulling at the button, so there's not really any point of me holding on to it. I definitely wouldn't wear it like that. I do like the cuff detail, and in theory, in my mind, with a nice on the shoulder bag, I thought that this was gonna look really cute if I kind of left the top of it open, a few buttons open, and put a nice necklace on, but it was a fail. And I don't actually even think I really like the material, so it's fine, it's going back. Next, I am looking for basic. I heard the girlies talk about Zara basics and that they can be quite good. So I picked up this blue body. I always really like racer cut tops. I think that they look really nice, but wearing them practically, I always forget that you need a strapless bra. So I'm showing it to you guys here with like a normal breastfeeding bra on, but this is a top that I definitely will need to pick with a strapless bra. I know that I could always put on a cardigan and kind of hide the straps, but I just prefer to wear something strapless just so that there's no chances of them ever showing. I do love this navy blue color and I picked it up in a size medium. It retails for $17.99, but I think I picked this up for something like £8. So definitely very affordable. It is super stretchy and the material's nice. It doesn't go see-through or anything like that. It does have snaps at the bottom. With basics, sometimes I can't always tell if I love them until I've worn them a few times. So I think what I'm going to do is wear this a few times and then decide if I love it. And if I do, I'm going to go back and buy all the colours. because all the basics I have are all discoloured and old, so I definitely need to replace them all. So we're gonna try and see how this goes. Next, I have the jumper that I have on, and so I'm going skiing, and I realised when I started looking through my wardrobe for things to pack that I don't really own jumpers. So I kind of went on a jumper buying spree, and I picked up a few jumpers from a few different places, and this is one of the jumpers that I picked up. It was on sale too, and I believe it was about £15. So just because of the price, I picked it up. It is just a basic fit knit jumper, and it is slightly itchy but not unbearable. I do like the knit, and it is just kind of basic, something that I just put on with a pair of jeans. I do plan on layering this on my trip, so I think it will work. I really do like the grey colours. I am kind of being drawn a bit more this season towards greys and navies. I think look really nice. So it's nothing really spectacular, but I think it's cute and it's comfortable. So I'm happy with this purchase. Next, I have an accessory, and I picked up this bag. Ooh. Now this bag also comes in black, and it wasn't on sale. And I have seen a few people haul this bag, and I just think it is so cute. I don't believe it was available in the UK, because I went on there maybe a month or two ago on the UK Zara website, and I didn't see this bag at all. So I think they've just got it, and it's just basically like a 90s style silver bag, and I just think it is adorable. For me, it's not so much of a dressy bag that I could only wear it on occasions. It is a bag that I think could look cute with like jeans and a nice blouse. So I picked it up even though it wasn't in the sale, and I do have a few looks in mind for this. I'm thinking of doing a winter outfit styling video, so if I do that video, I'm sure this bag will feature. I'm sure that this bag will feature, and make sure you subscribe and turn on your notification bell if you don't want to miss that video. So yeah, I picked up this bag before it sold out. I think this is something that will sell out, so I just made sure I picked it up. So next I have a dress, and it is this grey dress with like a marl knit. So it's kind of got black and darker grey flicks in it, or strokes in it. And I've been looking for knitwear dresses too, because I realised, I don't know if it's because I was just at home for so long during the pandemic. I've been working from home and not really going anywhere, that I didn't realise that I don't really have much winter wear, or at least that's what I've told myself. And so I've gone shopping. So yeah, I picked up this dress. I picked it up in the medium. It usually retails for £22. I think I got it for 10. It is in a midi length, and I just think it will look perfect with a pair of boots. It doesn't have any sleeves, which I actually don't mind, especially when I'm going to put on cardigans or a jumper on top, so that I don't get too hot, because I can tend to get a bit too hot, especially if I'm with the babies. I can get a bit flustered if I'm trying to manage them and things like that. So I don't mind that it doesn't have any sleeves, and the knit is actually not that thick. If you guys can see, it's not that much of a thick knit. You can't see through it, but it is pretty thin. But that only means, well, for me anyway, that it was quite comfortable. There's loads of space in there. If you wanted to, you could go down a size. I believe I picked this up in a size medium. So I think the size is fine for me. I do like the length, and I just feel very grown up in this dress. And think that it would look really nice for this season and for winter as well. The Zara sale for this Black Friday was actually quite good. I got a bit tired kind of going through everything on the website, but I was able to get a few things that I quite like, and I think that there are still some things left in the sale section on the website the last time I checked anyway. So I'm hoping at least some of the things are still there for you guys to check out if you wanted to. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.